Hi guys, welcome back to the build. This is gonna be part 2, and we are gonna continue on here with the chassis. I have 14 minutes recording time, so I'm gonna try and make this short. I might pause the video now and then, and so I can stay on my 14 minutes. And we're gonna start here on the chassis, guys. We're gonna build the chassis for the car. So we're gonna need those pieces up there. So we're gonna put the last one in here. That is that piece right there. Alright, so we're gonna move on to here. So what we need is, we need that piece down there. That is a 15 holer. So this piece right here, a 15 holer. Let's put it on here then. Let's put it on here. But first of all, we need to come up here because we need that guy there and this one here. So let's put it on where they will go. And there it is, guys. Goes on like that. Let's put on the 15 holer. And you can mark this off down here because down there that is a 1-to-1 piece and it fits. It's the same size. Alright, so here it is. Here's the piece exactly the same as it is there. Alright, chassis build. Let's move on to the next page. Alright, next page, page 12. And now we need this part here, and we need, how much do we need? 8 of them. So we're gonna put 8 of those black guys on this guy here. Alright, just one more piece to go. I'm gonna put it on here. And there we have our piece. And that will go, where will that go? That will go on here, on our chassis here. So I'm gonna put it on and see what it will look like. And here we are, guys. That is the first part of our chassis complete. Yeah, just like as it is pictured of here. Alright. Let's move on to the next page here. Let's see what we need for that. We're gonna put the chassis on this side. We need another 15 holer. 15 holer, and we need 2 more of those guys. So let's put them on here. Alright, that is the other 15 holer post on here. The body part here, the chassis I should say, not the body part but the chassis. And now we need to put 2 of them on as well. There's one. And we're going to put the other one on here as well. Okay, I'm going to have to do that off camera. Alright, here we go. Put the 2 white pegs in here. Nice. So we are done here on page 13. And it looks like the same. Brilliant. Yeah, looks the same here as on this page. Let's go over to page 14 and see what we can do. So somehow you're gonna have to fit this guy on like that. So let's see how that will pan out. So my guess is like that. And I'm gonna put it on. And here it is, guys. It's on. Let's move on to the next page here. We need two of them. And we need, what do we need here? Two of those. So let's put them on because those are the front end support mounts here. Let's put them on. Like that. That is how they go on. And we need on the other side as well. And done. Alright, we have the two posts here, here, and here. On the other side, we have the posts here as well. That is to support the suspension that side, and that is probably either going to be this 4-wheel drive or the 2-wheel drive. I don't know. We will see if the car is 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. That is what it looks like as on the picture here. Brilliant. Put the suspension out here. Alright. So I think we are done on this page here. That looks like the same. Yeah, looks the same here. Let's move on. Alright, next page here. We are moving on quickly, guys, but hopefully not too quick. So we need another one of those. That is a 15-holer here. And we need one of them, and that will go somehow on like that. There it is. 4 holes left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes into the 5th hole, so you have like 4 holes left over here. So we are gonna put that guy on here like that. Alright, there you go, guys. Another part of the frame, or the chassis even. Okay, we're gonna do the other side here as well. Alright, move on to the next one here. We need one of those, and we need 4 pegs and 2 other pegs. Two of those and 4 of those. And then we're gonna stick them together. And one of them here as well. There's our piece here. That is the same as on the picture. And we need to put in those guys up front here. One goes here and the other one goes in there. And the whole thing, that part and this guy here will fit nicely then on here like that. So I'm gonna put it in, and we're gonna grab the other piece as well. So it will look something here like this guy here. And the frame is practically here expanding all the time, guys. Brilliant. Let's put on, we need this guy here, and we need 2 more of them. So let's put them on. Alright, so we are moving on to the next page here, which is putting on this piece here. And we are gonna put that piece on and that guy there. And that piece will fit on here like that. And we are practically done with the chassis here. My box is empty. And that is what the chassis looks like. We have added that piece there and that piece here. So we made it into the 14-minute mark. We are under 14 minutes, 10 minutes into the videos, and this is part 2 of the build. And we are going to start there next, but I have to search for the pieces again and put them in here so we can start building again. Alright, let me know what you guys think of the 2 build videos so far in comments below, guys. This is what we're trying to build. We have the stickers over there and we still have a lot of pieces left. We have a couple of bags left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 10 or 11 bags left with stuff. That is what the car looks like so far. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next build, which is gonna be part 3. Alright, thanks for watching and bye bye.